Hey tubers, welcome back to my channel. My name's Olineece if this is your first time tuning in, and today we're going to get into this Amazon wig review. So jumping right into the nitty gritty, I bought this wig for $54.99 before tax and $60.61 right after. I received the wig in 2 days after ordering it on February 20th and receiving it on February 22nd. Just to note that I do have Amazon Prime, so yeah, you guys should definitely go get that if you're interested. I ordered the wig from Geeta hair on Amazon, as I mentioned before, and my wig that I ordered for the price that I paid was 10 inches. They do, however, sell up to 16 inches with the price of $79.99 before tax. The wig construction was 13 by 14 lace frontal and 130 density. Didn't have any problems with shedding, even though I did wear the wig to 2 weeks. This wig is also pre-plucked in the front. I will show you guys later what I mean when I do put on my wig cap. But other than that, those are all the specs about this wig. I only have 2 factors to consider when buying this wig is that it's super silky, so it doesn't really hold a curl other than a good bump in the ends. And the lace is not your regular lace. If you're used to like transparent or film lace, it's rough textured. So I went ahead and took my wig off with some alcohol and a towel just to show you guys that I did have this wig cap on in the beginning, and upon putting the wig on my head, I didn't really like it at first. I was trying to figure out why. I ended up chopping some of the ends off, but right here I'm showing you guys how it's pre-plucked. So pre-plucked, in fact, that you can see the wig cap. This was definitely kind of an issue for me because even when I pushed it forward, it was kind of awkward looking, and you can even see the wig cap on the sides. To fix this problem, I just changed it to a black wig cap after I was sad about it for a little bit, and that really helped, and you can't see it once I did that, which I'm showing y'all right here. So I'm just going to continue with the customization and applying the wig, and I will come to y'all in the end. Okay guys, that about sums it up for this wig customization. The only thing I do wish I did is go back into my edges and probably blend it out more. It was 2 a.m. for me, so I was tired and kind of just ready to get this wig on my head and go to bed. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked my lashes in this video, make sure you go check out my AliExpress lashes try on haul. If you guys want to follow me and see how I styled this hair, @outlabeled on all social media platforms. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one.